Welcome to the forefront of innovation. The next 90 seconds will change the way you think about cleaning and training. What if you could simplify cleaning and training for you and your crew? What if you could streamline your processes with state-of-the-art hands-free technology? What if you could be part of creating a cleaner, better tomorrow? Now you can.
At Midlab, we're always planning ahead and constantly working to introduce new innovations. Our customers are our #1 priority, which is why we're excited to be making it even easier to streamline operations using the latest technology on the market. This is the next evolution of our patent-pending Plus label system. Step-by-step training instructions, real-time communication with your crew, and instant access to product information, all at your fingertips.
Imagine no more wasted resources, no more misunderstood instructions or product misuse.
That's the way of the future, and at Midlab, we're leading the way.
Follow along on our journey to a cleaner, better tomorrow. Midlab, look into a cleaner future.